What's going on YouTube? This is Mara Piesek of MP Media here with my friend Anka. What's your last name? How do you say your last name?
Bergen,
And where are you from?
Romania.
This is why my European accent comes out whenever I am around Europeans like this, because I'm Polish and I haven't been back in 20 years. When's the last time you went back home?
Almost 3 years, so yeah, too long, too long.
I'm so far behind. So today we're gonna do this. I'm gonna shoot Anka and we're gonna use one light today. And all these different positions, you can put one light and make dope shots out of. The reason why I'm doing one light is not everyone has the money or funds to buy 2, 3, 4 lights. One light, you can do so many awesome things with. You can get the job done for your clientele, fitness models, weddings, portraits, whatever. I'm gonna walk around with Anka and we're gonna take some shots in this dope little studio we rented today.
Yes, very excited to get this started and show you some amazing stuff.
She's super nervous. She has no idea.
Oh, I'm not. I had a shot of vodka before.
I need one today. All right, stay tuned, guys. Move this closer to you. Okay, here we go. Quarter turn left. Okay, great. Excellent. Hand on your hip. Good. Head back a little bit. Turn your head to your shoulder. Excellent. Hand in your hair. Right there. Yes, thank you. Hold that. 3, 2, 1. Gorgeous. Great. Awesome. Beautiful. Turn all the way to the other side. Excellent. Good. Now we're going to get your reflector to the core. One step forward. Right there. Thank you. 3, 2, 1. Head back a little bit. Good. And close your eyes and turn your head to your left shoulder. Good. Excellent. Good. 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 Yeah. Good. 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 Now, head up, but just turn towards your left shoulder. Good. Yes. And chin down. Down more. And turn your head more. Yeah, right there. Good. Gorgeous. Good. Good. Chest up, chest up, chest up. Good. And twist away from me a little bit. Yes, right there. Gorgeous. Follow my hand. Look that way. Good. Yes, 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 yes. Yes. Yes, good. Relax the fingers on the chin. Like, and go. So, no, start here. Start here. Go down. Yeah. You see how you did that? Okay, let's do it again. I'll tell you when. 3, 2, 1. Roll them down. Right there. Good. Beautiful. Look at your left shoulder. Yes. Close your eyes. Gorgeous. Good. All right. So here we are going to use one light against a white background. Cool thing about you shooting against white. The white will act as a light and reflect white and light around the individual, the model, and one light is going to be plenty for this kind of style of shoot. So take a look. It's going to be dope. Good. Chest up. Good. Right there. Good. Yeah. Twist towards me. Good. And kind of put your traps against the wall a little bit if you can. Good. There we go. And turn your head that way towards the, excellent, great shot, boom. Excellent, good. Head back a little bit, chin up, good. Turn your chin towards your left shoulder now, good, boom. Beautiful, good, beautiful. That, fantastic. Yes, good, 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 yep, arch. Excellent, good. Hold. Beautiful, Anka, great. Turn your head more towards that way, good, excellent. Good, good, good. All right, Anka, here we go, beautiful, right there, I love that, good. Yep, hold that, Good, beautiful, good. And you're gonna look straight towards the gem area, good, beautiful, very sultry, gorgeous, fantastic. Head up more and kind of separate your neck and your top of your head from the wall. Good, beautiful. good. Now turn to your right shoulder, your head, good. Yes, good. 3, 2, 1, up, good, good. Oh, gorgeous, right there, beautiful. Yes, great, awesome. Good, 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 love it. Yes, close your eyes, 3, 2, 1, separate the lips, a little bit more. Yes, good, good. Okay, beautiful. Look straight forward to Jen. Good, right there, Chin down, good. Now turn it to your right shoulder. Look down at your shoulder. Excellent. Good. Fantastic, rest. All right guys, so you saw how we did a one light setup on 2 different locations in the studio. Now I'm gonna introduce 2 lights. The cool thing about this is you get a separation from the background and a different kind of dynamic when it comes to your photo shots. I'm only gonna do 1 look here, but if you want to see more, take a look at my next video. I'll be releasing in a few weeks of 2 lights. Check it out. So ladies and gentlemen, here I'm gonna display what the rim looks like. Here's what the rim shot looks like. Good, so you get a capture of that. And then I'm gonna show you what the fill looks like. And here's what they are together. See the difference? Now you can move around. All right, so different poses now. Good, beautiful, good. Hold that, yep, love that. Great, good, good. Hold that right there, good. Hands both in your hair now. Great glutes, love it. Good, good. Eyes closed, open the mouth a little bit more, good. All right guys, I hope today you learned something how to use one light on a photo shoot. You can get a lot of different kinds of content, a lot of different angles, a lot of different poses with using one light. If you liked what I showed with 2 lights, make sure you check out my next video dropping on YouTube in the future. But until then, this is Anka.
It's very nice to be here. Amazing work.
IFBB Pro. Now Anka, I know you're not in contest shape right now, but if you can give any pieces of advice to athletes, fitness competitors, fitness enthusiasts, what can you give them today on shooting in an off-season, shape, physique, whatever you want to call it? If you can give any piece of advice to make you, others out there more comfortable doing photo shoots in an off-season physique, what can that be today?
I mean, of course, this is hard, and we all go through struggles to love ourselves at all stages. And when we are so lean, we just want to be that way for a photo shoot, and it's a little weird when we are off season and have a little fluff. But the thing is, we have to learn to love each other at all stages and just be ourselves, just smile and just have fun with it. That's all. Fluff is there, you want it or not, it's there, but in order to make improvements, you need to have that healthy body fat on you.
And balance is key. I compete too myself, and I wish nothing but being in contest shape 365 days a year. However, that's not realistic. The body wants to put fat on, and we're not eating clean, doing cardio all the time. So it is very important to be happy with your realistic self. That's how I like to put it.
Or the healthy self.
Yeah, it is healthy. It is a lot healthier. But if I can do anything over in my, back in the day when I competed a lot, is to do more photo shoots, pre-contest and off-season.
I agree with that.
Yeah,
Yes.
If I could have done it over again, it would have been more of that. But I didn't, so I encourage others out there to get in front of the camera. These memories will last forever. We're not 25, 30 years old the rest of our entire lives. So get on out there, get shooting and have fun, all right? Enjoy yourself.
Yay. Yes.
All right.
Thank you so much, Marek.
Till next time, YouTube. Later.